Hi! Welcome back to the Starting with Almendra series. I hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, we'll discuss the first step in creating a flexible meal plan. Here we have the meal plan called Meal Plan for Emma Smith, and you can see several fields that can be edited, such as the name of the plan, the start date, and the duration in weeks. Once you have all that ready, you can click on Start Now. Remember, you can edit these three fields as long as the meal plan hasn't been consumed by the patient. Click the green button to start. It's important to know that a meal plan consists of 4 steps. The first is the format, which is the screen we're on right now. Next is the caloric goal selection, followed by the food selection, and finally the summary. We see that there are 8 different formats. 5 of them allow you to start a meal plan from scratch, while the bottom 3 will use a previously done meal plan to create this one. In this video, we will show how to create a meal plan using the flexible format, characterized by having a concept called model days and meals with different food options. Model Day 1 refers to a day when, for example, the patient exercises on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. This will be called a day with exercise. And if the patient doesn't exercise on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and weekends, this will be called a day without exercise. This allows you to build a type of day with a certain calories and macros distribution, and to build another one with a different distribution. If you've already seen the video on how to create a strict meal plan, you'll notice the process is quite similar. In the objective selection, we have 3 sub-steps. First, select the day to set the objectives. Second, enter the caloric goal for that day, or those days if you've selected more than one. Finally, distribute those calories across macronutrients. Continuing with the earlier example, we'll name this day Day with Exercise, and the second day Day Without Exercise. We'll start by setting the goals for the day with exercise. By default, it shows 1,762 calories, which is the value calculated from the Mifflin-St. Jeor equation. But if you prefer, you can select any other equation. A little further down, we have different patient parameters like basal metabolism, daily total energy expenditure, activity level, and an additional field where you can increase or decrease the total daily energy expenditure by a percentage. Since this is a day with exercise, and the calculation shows 1,762 calories, let's change it to 2,000 directly. We could have used this field to increase it percentually as well. Now, let's distribute those 2,000 calories across macronutrients. We'll start by assigning 20% of protein, which results in 100 grams of protein. We click the lock so the bar is locked. Next, let's add some carbohydrates to reach 50%, for example, and the remaining 30% will be assigned to fats. You can see the graph on the right immediately updates, and a little further down, we also see additional information along with the graph, such as body mass index, somatotype, and past objectives. Once everything is set, click the blue button to save the target for the day with exercise, and we can see it appears here. Now let's do the same for the day without exercise. For example, let's set 1,500 calories instead of 2,000 and follow the same distribution: 20% protein, 50% carbs, and 30% fat. This updates automatically, and we can check the additional information. Again, click Save Target. In the next video, we'll select the foods for this flexible meal plan. I hope you have a productive day, and if you found this video valuable, please share it with your colleagues. See you in the next video.